What's up, Luis? What up, guys? We're here in the back. First thing in the morning. You know what I gotta do to Luis? Turn off his music. Shoot, it's bright outside. I gotta switch to my darker filter. So stick with me for a minute. Show you guys the difference, okay? So this is 8 dB filter. It's too bright. You ready to start running the wires in the Lamborghini? It's coming right now. We have to finish it in a couple days. Just run the wires. If anybody can run the wires, it's you, man. You're the chingon. Patron's in the building. Boss man. Junior man. Adam, what's poppin', bro?
Morning. So what happened? Hey.
To what?
For the truck?
Oh, I don't know how you. I don't know if you do it when it's low or high. I don't know who
it
to
has
ask.
to be in a way that you're gonna be driving.
But we also want it to be lowered with no camber. He said it was going to do that, right?
Yeah. We need the truck to get the rims on and aligned, so I can put the factory rims somewhere outside, so we don't have them inside.
Okay.
Cause those wheels,
no, but I thought they said to do alignment on those wheels.
Yeah.
I know. On these wheels or those?
On the wheels he has on, do the alignment on that. They said.
Okay.
So go take it to get a line, bring it back. We put the rims on it. We do the epicenter and then adjust where the lowest setting is gonna be.
Why you don't let them change the wheels there?
Because what if they can't do 24s? A lot of people, these guys don't want to do big rims either.
Yeah, but the tires are already mounted, no?
Yeah.
It's just
You mean to align it?
Yeah.
okay, cool. Find out.
Boy, Javi got the badass speakers.
No está puesto.
Man, he gets the best stuff always. Javier's a pimp, player, a G. Let's go to the back. We're just gonna install the epicenter on this truck and then we'll be done. This is not our wiring, but you know, somebody did it. Back in Texas. Oh, they're gonna make you do the speakers first, way?
They're gonna connect the lights. You need the module.
I know.
And he said 2 hours.
It takes longer than 2 hours?
Yeah, I have to connect the module. Where's the module?
Hey, look at those LEDs. Damn. Okay, I gotta go back to work. No time to be recording people. Junior.
Yeah.
T-minus 8 minutes for the Lambo. Are you ready?
Not 8 minutes, longer.
Alright.
Oh.
Shit. The new Razor S. Let's go take a look at it before I go back inside. This is the Razor S. The pods we put in there. Badass speakers. Sick ass gel audio speakers. They sound amazing. 6 speakers. Man, those are 8-inch bad boys. Woo! But anyhow, we're gonna knock that out. We're gonna finish that, and we gotta finish that. That right there is 2 door locks, just replacement, you know. Anthony's truck, still in the works. Bam, baby! I'm excited. I'm really excited. Aquí está, la jefe de todos los jefes, haciendo papeles para ti todos. Alright guys, I don't know how much time before we get the Lamborghini in, but I did do a test run on the camera. I got it set up right there, so we'll see what happens. And we're recording 24 frames per second, see if it's more cinematic. Like they say in the movies, more cinematic. But yeah.
Cool. Now the jungle has its rules, and I just gotta keep it cool. And I'll be treated like a tool. So don't be acting like a fool. Look at you sobbing like a moon. Trying to get everybody's.
You're gonna do the woofer first, right? And then what?
Then I'm gonna do the fillers.
Wow.
We're gonna go with fillers. You don't know. You don't know.
But it's supposed to look factory. You should put a tornado in there, like a Huracan symbol, into the grill.
I know that, man.
What?
So I cover everything and then lay the fiberglass on it.
That's cool. All right, man. Let him do his thing. We'll get back to work. I gotta go rush the front. Nobody's here. I can't stay back there and record. It's the worst day of my life. But anyways. Junior, ¿por qué tardó mucho tiempo en el pinche Razer?
I put new speakers, new amp.
They see Junior, way. Junior number 2.
4 speakers. Rear, front. 1 amp. So that was it, Chichona?
Man, that's a boring day. Only thing we got is the fucking Razer and the Lamborghini. This is gay.
Fucking lights.
And these lights.
Look barely new.
Damn, fool's gonna think he bought brand new lights. I charge him again.
Charge them double.
Charge customer twice for that. Woo, it's warm, man. It's warm, but it's a nice warm. It's not a fucked up warm. You know, I can survive with this.
Shit, not tomorrow or Saturday.
Saturday's gonna be double digits or what? Vergas. Looks like Javier's doing the, what are you doing?
Started working on the door panels
For Anthony? These are the door panels for Anthony, man. All through computer. I should charge him an extra $1,000 for that.
What?
For computer. For CNC program mode.
I know.
Yeah, look at that. This is crazy. I'm gonna. Oh, let's go check out Junior, the progress real quick before I have to go back to the front. What's up, Papa? How we looking? Are you high yet? Yeah, you got the AC right there. I'm not leaning. Huh? What happened?
I think I'm higher.
You're fucking high? How many figures is he? Woo! So right there is the fiberglass work. We're doing a fiberglass box in there. I don't know if I can put this on video. It might be cut, it might not be. We got some loud noise due to that machine right there, but we'll get over it. Just talk a little bit louder. The box has to be done tonight. Okay? Speakers. Are they both fitted? I think they're both fitted in. Speakers need to be done tomorrow. That's what's gonna be done tomorrow. Then the last day, wired, right? That's the plan. We'll see what happens. Oh, it's gonna be a hard one. Everybody pray. This guy went to LA to pick up those subwoofer boxes. He's a lifesaver for the subwoofers. How was traffic?
It's okay, not too bad.
Were you driving the whole time or your mom? Oh, so you're chilling, Facebook, Snapchat, all that. That's cool. No nap.
I really did.
They got this fucking car. This car's been here too many times, man. Suburban. What the hell is a Suburban here? Oh, that's Jose's. My little Civic, bro. Civic keeps it good. So it looks like we're gonna be putting a backup camera and a front camera on the Razer that belongs to this guy. And we already put the Alpine radio so you guys can see it. Alpine radio looks nice. Oh, thank God. Fucking thing is annoying, man. That thing is so annoying. Who? Why? What'd I do?
You dropped the clips inside, and it just went like that.
No, I didn't. I didn't drop the clips.
I saw the camera, you dropped the fucking clips, and you're the only one able to do something like that.
I was busy. I was rushing to get the customer. I'll show them to you when they open them. I don't want to open them because they're gonna get mad at me if I open them. So that's the subwoofers, two 15-inch Hippo XLs. Been waiting for them for 45 days. It's crazy that they barely got here. See you guys in the bit.
Oh, hey, what? How come mine don't look like this?
This is like $5,000 just for the box.
So?
Let's do it. Tell me when.
No, I mean, but do not for like the same price.
It's cool.
See, how come you can't make mine look like this?
Because this is all fiberglass.
Fuck, make mine look like that.
It's all true.
On the strength though.
Huh?
On the strength. Bro, I'll give you like a 5 free alignments. You got me right, Tony?
Fuck it, man. Let's go. Yeah, man, that shit's sick, fool. Shit bangs, stupid too. Got my boy Marco back in the YouTube video. Ha. It's clean. I like this one. That shit hits stupid, fool.
Yeah,
Stupid.
366, dude.
Alright, so the Lambo, the box already got in there, okay? Now we're working step 2 is the door pillars.
¿Te fijas? Oh, okay. Tienes que arreglar eso para poder.
Gonna be making the pillars so that way looks a little nicer. Right now they're just discussing where they want to put the, you know, that pillar where that speaker's gonna go. We'll see what time it tells. It's already almost 6 o'clock. Be done for the day. All right, Patron. Yeah, you got on the Dodge.
Yeah.
You want to get it out today or no?
No, they can work on it, but I don't want to get it out today. I want to work and
Tune it tomorrow, man. Sorry, bro. I know you wanted your car today, but nah. All right. Man, I just set up the audio, hooked up my microphone. Now I'm gonna be vlogging in 4K with the A7 III. This is the camera I will be buying, so this is what I want to get used to using. Hopefully you guys will be like, oh, it's better quality. Probably see all the sweat now in my face. Let's go back and check it out. Louis, you're now being recorded with a Sony camera.
Oh, I'm excited. Oh yeah. Sony camera. Same thing, Anthony.
No, it's not.
It's a lamp. Sound digital.
Oh, I'm gonna be loving this vlog, guys. Whew. What's up, Patron? You're in 4K mode right now.
Ay, güey.
What's up, man?
¿Que me veo mejor o qué?
Yeah, good. Look. Let's see your pretty face, Adam.
Luis, ¿no prende el estéreo sin prender la llave? ¿Sí? ¿Le apago entonces? ¿Seguro?
Está abierta la instrucción en el switch. En el push to start.
How are you gonna keep it from getting water on it?
Huh?
How are you gonna keep it from getting water on it?
I own a stereo shop. So if it gets fucked up, I put on the other one.
It must be fucking nice to be that. Hey, I work for a guy who owns a stereo shop. Can I get it replaced?
No, Luis, tiene...
La llanta, ¿eh? ¿Y cómo la ve? What's up, Josh? You're on camera, but you're on YouTube, guy.
There we go. Oh no, my boy.
Demo? You know, Josh came to get the bags. Josh trying to spend money with you, but you play games.
Hey guys, I didn't do my outro because I was so excited about having the new camera, and you know, it's kind of like excited that Lambo was there. So this is my outro. Comment, like, subscribe, say what's up.